Oh, wow. It's still morning, so I can say good morning to everyone, and we head into to afternoon. And speaking of super bad, Denise Ross is a super bad woman. I want to thank her so much for her incredible leadership. We are so proud of what she has done. And, you know, the thing I say about Denise Ross, and it is true about all of the team members I've had the pleasure of working with, it is not just that they are well qualified and competent, they're compassionate, empathetic, caring. They love the people of Prince George's County. And Denise, it shows in your work. So thank you so very much. I like the way she started this when she said what did you say, the magnificent and majestic mayors of Prince George's County. I thought that's exactly what I'm here about today. And so I want to also just salute all of you and tell you really how grateful I am for the tremendous work that you do, the tremendous way that you represent Prince George's County. I think it is an open secret how much I love Prince George's County. And I just really believe that we have here something that does not exist elsewhere around the country, and it is because of you. So I just thank you all so much, and I'm so honored that you have accepted our invitation to be here today. I'd like to also thank the people who made today possible. You know how little we do alone. We do so much together. And so I have a team of people who are just really just inconquerable. And I want to thank them so much. Our Director of Stakeholder Engagement and Affairs, Sonia Wellborn, and the entire stakeholder engagement team, want to thank them so much. Our Office of Community Relations, I want to thank that entire team for the work that they do. Jennifer Hawkins in particular from 311 on the go. Want to thank her, who has done such an outstanding job. Yes, she has, in elevating. We now have a 311 game that is just, as the kids would say, wicked. It is so much better than it was. Not to diverge too much, but when we came into office, I think the average wait time for a call to be answered was about 4 minutes. I think that is now below 30 seconds, and that is what the people of Prince George's County deserve. Is when they call, they deserve to have us answer the phone. And so I want to thank Jennifer Hawkins, thank that entire team for the incredible work that they've done. I see Dr. Dula is here from the Office of Veterans Affairs. Thank you so much for joining us today. We have Senator Alonzo Washington, who has also graced us with his presence today. I want to thank you so much for the tremendous work that you do. You already heard just a little from Denise about some of the work that all of us have done together, including this project to break ground. Not only have we broken ground on 10 new schools in the last 3 years, which is absolutely unheard of, but we're going to outdo ourselves and break ground on another 8 next year. So we will have broken ground on 18 new schools in a 6-year period in Prince George's County. And that is because we have this super incredible delegation that boldly went to Annapolis and said, we're not going to beg for it. We want every dime that ought to come to Prince George's County. So I want to thank you for that. I have some incredible, our Chief Administrative Officer, Tara Jackson, speaking of super bad women, who is leading as our Chief Administrative Officer. And she's one of the few women in the state of Maryland who is operating as a chief administrative officer of a major government, nearly 1 million of us, and does so just so with so much character and so much competency. Thank you. Our Deputy Chief Administrative Officers, Floyd Hall and Barry Stanton, are here. I want to thank them for the work that they do every day for us. And John Erzin, our Deputy Chief of Staff, who is also with us today. Thank you so much. And then I'm going to get in trouble because I have so many more. So for all of my colleagues inside Prince George's County government, thank all of you for the tremendous work that you do every day. And then I'd like to just also thank our strategic partners who helped to make this event today possible. You know, I generally go on and on about how I had to prepare the meal for you, cook the chicken, kill the chicken, do all that kind of stuff. But today I'm going to be honest about it. We had some folks who helped us. WSSC, Pepco, Verizon, Comcast, Dr. Trinace Richardson, who you're going to hear from, Maryland National Capital Park and Planning, are hosting us today. And then our flagship sponsor, is employ Prince George's County, and I want to thank them so much also for hosting us and for everything they have done to help move Prince George's County forward and to create a workforce and to create opportunities for our workforce. I want to thank them so much for the tremendous work that they've done. Pastor Gerald Folsom is here as well today. I want to thank him for acting as our faith liaison. And for the work that he continues to do in our community as well. You all know it. I don't have to tell you that public service is not easy. And meeting the needs of residents, we know, takes time, it takes effort, it takes energy, and above all, it really does take love. So I want to commend all of you for rising to the occasion. You have done so time and time again. And then while these past few years have been fruitful for our community, and they certainly have, all of the accomplishments, and I was just mentioning this to our new mayor from College Park, the accomplishments that we have been talking about today, everything from the schools to the Blue Line Corridor to just everything we've been able to accomplish, we did that work together during COVID-19. And so this room of people led during a time that none of us have seen before. But these years have not been easy. And like so many of you, I myself at times have felt the fatigue. Even though I am so grateful to serve, I understand what you experience every day. And that brings me to the message that I want to share with all of you today. And that there's a phrase, again, that says, you cannot pour from an empty cup, which means that we cannot take care of each other unless we take care of ourselves. I know that Dr. Richardson has much more to say on this, but I want to offer a few ways that I make sure that I have the energy I need to serve. Self-care is so very important. And I say this to all of you, it takes simple things like resting, eating well, being with the people we love, exercising, and spending time outside. But it also requires a positive mindset. It can be so hard to see just what we've accomplished when we're in the middle of all of it. Sometimes we have to give time and space to our careers and public service to fully comprehend the work that we have done. When we give ourselves time and space, when we get the time we need to rest, when we check in with the people around us, we can reapproach our work with gratitude. And how many of you know that gratitude just seems to make it all come together? No matter what job we have or what responsibility falls on our shoulders, we have to take time for ourselves, for introspection, for mindfulness, and for self-care. If our cup is empty, we have nothing left to pour out for others. When we take care of our own needs, and those include the mental and physical needs that we have, we make ourselves better public servants. Speaking of which, I don't often have the opportunity to be along all of our mayors of Prince George's County at the same time. So I do want to take a few moments to express very individually my gratitude to each of the mayors who are serving our residents. In Berwyn Heights, and you all got to go crazy now. Let's show some love here. Jody, Culper, Edie, can we thank Mayor Edie? Thank you so much. And yes, thank you so much, Mayor. Can we also thank Mayor Takesha James from Bladensburg? Come on, Mayor Takesha James. I have not seen him yet today, but we want to thank him in his absence. The Mayor of Bowie, Tim Adams. Thank you so much to Mayor Adams. In Brentwood, Mayor Rocio Treminio Lopez. Can we thank her? She's not able to make it today. We want to thank her. And Capitol Heights, can we thank Mayor Linda Monroe? And Cheverly, Casey Munyene, can we thank, yes. College Park, Mayor Fazlul Kabir, Mayor Kabir. Palmar Manor, Mayor Monica Consaños. Cottage City, Commissioner Wanda Wheatley. Thank you so much to Commissioner Wheatley. District Heights Mayor Cynthia Miller. Mayor Miller, thank you. Representing Eagle Harbor, Commissioner Noah Waters. Commissioner Waters, thank you so much. Edmonston Mayor Tracy Gant. Mayor Gant, thank you. Fairmont Heights, Akiba Stewart. Akiaba Stewart. Forest Heights Mayor Troy Lilly. I see Mayor from Glen Arden, Kashina Cross. Thank you so much, Mayor Cross. Greenbelt Mayor Emmett Jordan. Thank you, Mayor Jordan. Hyattsville Mayor Robert Crossland, who brought his family, beautiful family, with him today. Landover Hills Mayor Jeffrey Schmomish. Yes. Mayor Craig Moe from Laurel. Morningside Mayor Bernard Can. Mayor Can. Yes. Mount Rainier Mayor Selena Benitez. New Carrollton Mayor Katrina Dodro. North Brentwood Mayor Petrella Robinson. Yes. Riverdale Park Mayor Alan Thompson. Seat Pleasant Mayor Kelly Porter. University Park Mayor Joel Bierman. And Upper Marlboro Mayor Sarah Franklin. Yes. So I want to thank all of our mayors. And again, this year, I want to stress the importance of self-care. We need you all so much. And when we take time for our own health and wellness, we are better to the people in our lives on a personal level. Moreover, as public servants, a little time to reflect and recharge can help us see easy solutions to problems that feel unsolvable. Rest not only recharges us, but it gives ourselves a new perspective. I know each of you work very hard, and I know each of you makes sacrifices for your communities. And I know how hard it can be to pause, take a breath, and check in with yourself. Thanks to our open dialogue, municipalities across our county have come together. Our coordination helped localities across our region use unprecedented levels of available federal funds, helped our residents receive life-saving vaccines, and helped us inform the community about new programs available to them for assistance and aid. The investments that we're making in Prince George's County right now are the result of collaboration with all of you. We're in a transformative time for our county, one that will improve the health and well-being of all Prince Georgians. Each of you deserve credit for helping to make it happen. I also ask you here today to say our county government is ready to keep working with you, to keep making progress for our residents, and to keep being a resource, and to keep listening. Today, I invite all of you to join me for a slate of wellness-focused activities. Dr. Trinace Richardson will also offer us some concrete advice on how to rest and recharge. So let's relax, have fun, and connect with one another. You all have shown me what you're capable of. We already know, and now it's time for us to have some fun today. So thank you all so much for the tremendous leadership that you provide to us. And we're just so happy to have all of you all here today. We also have with us some of our best in law enforcement here. And I think I saw some in the back also from Edmonston and other parts of our county. Can you all stand to be recognized? Can we please recognize our police officers who have come today to be with us? Thank you so much for the tremendous work you do. All right, thank you all so much. God bless all of you. Thank you.